Hello sir, my name is Kodiswaran son of Murthy from class DEM for A, number matrix 16 DEM 19 F1020. So today we are going to do presentation 2. So the title is about the gas turbine power plant system. So the introduction of gas turbine plant system. The use of gas turbines for generating electricity dates back to 1939. Today, gas turbines are one of the most widely used power generating technologies. A generating station which employs a gas turbine as the prime mover for the generation of electrical energy is known as a gas turbine power plant. In a gas turbine power plant, air is used as the working fluid. The air is compressed by compressor and is led to the combustion chamber where heat is added to the air, thus raising its temperature. Heat is added to the compressed air either by burning fuel in the chamber or by the use of air heaters. The hot and high pressure air from the combustion chamber is then passed to the gas turbine where it expands and does the mechanical work. The gas turbine drives the alternator which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is the definition of gas turbine plant system. So this is the project idea, the schematic diagram of uh, gas turbine power plant. So we have a compressor, filter, generator, combustion chamber, exhaust gases, gas turbine. So what is combustion chamber? Combustion chamber, the air at high pressure from the compressor is led to the combustion chamber via the regenerator. So the next is gas turbine. Gas turbine, the products of combustion consisting of a mixture of gases at high temperature and pressure are passed to the gas turbine. Next is alternator. Alternator, the gas turbine is coupled to the alternator as seen in the gas turbine plant layout. The alternator converts mechanical energy of the turbine into electrical energy. So this is a project idea. So the next is working principle of gas turbine power plant system. In gas power plant, we use high pressure and temperature air instead of high pressure and temperature steam to rotate the turbine. The fundamental method working principle of gas turbine power plant is same as that of steam turbine power plant. The only difference is that in steam turbine power plant we use compressed steam to rotate the turbine, but in gas turbine power plant we use compressed air to turn the turbine. In the gas turbine power plant, air is compressed and in a compressor. This compressed air then passes through a combustion chamber where the temperature of the compressed air rises. The high temperature and high pressure air is passes through a gas turbine. In turbine, the compressed air is suddenly expanded, hence it gains kinetic energy, and because of this kinetic energy, the air can do mechanical work for rotating the turbine. And also in a gas turbine power plant, the shaft of turbine alternator and air compressor are common. The mechanical energy created in the turbine is partly utilized to compress the air. And also the gas turbine power plants are mainly used as standby auxiliary power supplier in hydroelectric power plant. It also generates the auxiliary power during starting a hydroelectric power plant.
Advantages of gas turbine power plant. First, it is simple in design as compared to steam power stations since on boilers the auxiliaries are required. Second, it is much smaller in size as compared to the steam power station of the same capacity. This is expected since the gas turbine power plant does not require as boiler speed, power arrangement, etc. Third, the interior operating costs are much lower than that of the equivalent steam power station. Fourth, it requires comparatively less water as no condensers in use. Number 5, the maintenance charges are quite small. Next, justification. Why choose gas turbine power plant? Gas turbines are also used for the combined production of electricity and heat, which is required in many industries and in use to energize central heating systems in many large European cities. These turbines have even been used to heat and light extensive Dutchess greenhouse, which additionally benefit from the use of the generated carbon dioxide to speed up the growth of vegetables. Gas turbines also run compressors in many industrial enterprises and in the pumping station of long-distance pipelines. The verdict is clear: on other combustion machines combine so many advantages as modern gas turbines. They are compact, easy to transport and install, relatively silent, affordable and efficient, are nearly instant on power and able to operate without water cooling.
Hi, my name is Manolai, son of the Indran, on metric 16 dam 19 F1012. Today I am going to present the discussion. What is the problem that making occur in installation gas turbine power plant? Environmental challenges with gas turbine include low level of NOx, CO, and should almost other pollutants. Specifically, ultra-low NOx combustor technology is required to meet the ozone depletion challenge. Researchers are facing concern about the development of dry, low NOx stationary and aero engines. Disadvantage of gas turbine power plant. Gas turbine plants have less vibration when compared with reciprocating engine of the same speed. However, the high frequency noise from the compressor is objectionable. The conclusion: gas turbine power plant can be started up and run at full capacity in only 10 to 20 minutes, making them well suited as backup plant for United companies that require additional electricity immediately. The reference. Thank you.